I'm Jonas Fernandez, heading the coaches at Kickoff Football School. Today we had an interactive session with Sahil Tavora. We had both our Sunshine Center and Santa Cruz Center being invited at Santa Cruz. The kids were happy to have Sahil at the center. They interacted with him, asked him a lot of questions, and were happy to get few photographs and autographs of Sahil. Sahil shared his journey with the kids, and he responded to few questions that were asked by the kids. So overall, it was a great experience for the kids and something to learn from.
We're very happy to be here at Kickoff Football School. It's great to see young kids here along with their parents coming to train every day. Kids as young as 5 years old, so it's a great age to start, and hopefully they go on, someone from here, to be professional players not only in the ISL but even further.